Okay, it's time to see what books are brand new at the library. A lot of paper in this one. It looks like this box is mostly manga and graphic novels. Kimi ni Todoke, number 15. The Demon Prince of Momochi House, number 7. Kimi ni Todoke, number 7 and 3. And this one is One Piece New World. It's number 85. Haikyuu, number 26 and 2. Kimi ni Todoke, number 11. Demon Prince, number 5. Kimi ni Todoke, number 29. Haikyuu, 23. Demon Prince, 10. Hopefully these series are almost all the way here. Demon Prince 6 and 3. Kimi ni Todoke, 23. Haikyuu, 24. Kimi ni Todoke, 20. Demon Prince, 12. Kimi ni Todoke, 10. And Dragon Ball 3, full color. One more box from Follett. And Just Hero by S.L. Rotman. All right, so come and check them out at the library. Okay, a few new boxes for the library. Let's see what's inside. Okay, these are scrapers to put covers on the paperbacks. This is The Long Way Home Summit by Amy Chu, Volume 1. Let's see what's in the next box. Okay, lots of manga and graphic novels today. Black Clover, number 8. My Hero Academia, number 15. Anonymous Noise, 6. Looks like we have Zelda Twilight Princess, number 1. My Hero Academia, number 12. Let's see, My Hero Academia, number 7. Black Clover, 12. My Hero Academia, number 5. Anonymous Noise, 8. Zelda Twilight Princess, number 4. Black Clover, number 1 and 11. Nisokoi False Love, number 14. Black Clover 2 and 9. Nisokoi 11. And Fruits Basket, another, volume 1. This is a new Fruits Basket series. One more box. I think almost all the new manga should be here by now. Somebody please come tell me if I'm saying this right. 15 and 6. My Hero Academia, number 6. Black Clover 10. Anonymous Noise 7. Nisokoi 9. Black Clover 5. Anonymous Noise 3. Black Clover 13. Nisokoi 24 and 13. Packing slips. Black Clover number 3. And Anonymous Noise number 5. Come check out some new manga at the library.